In this video, we're going to explore the WEEKNUM and WEEKDAY functions in Microsoft Excel. These functions are very helpful for working with dates, especially when generating weekly reports or analyzing data based on specific days of the week. You'll learn how to determine the week number for a given date and how to identify the day of the week, which can be super useful for things like scheduling and data analysis. Let's begin with the WEEKNUM function. This function is designed to return the week number of the year for a particular date. The basic syntax of the WEEKNUM function is as follows: equals WEEKNUM, open parenthesis, serial number, comma, return type inside square brackets, close parenthesis. Here, the serial number refers to the date you want to evaluate, and the return type is an optional argument that lets you define which day should be considered the first day of the week. Delving a bit deeper into the parameters of the WEEKNUM function, the serial number is the date for which you want to find the week number, and it is a required field. The return type, on the other hand, is optional. It defines which day of the week is considered the first day of the week. Different return types will give you different week numbers based on the starting day you choose. Let's look at a few examples of how to use the WEEKNUM function. First, equals WEEKNUM, open parenthesis, double quotes, 2024, hyphen, 03 hyphen 15 double quotes, close parenthesis. Second, equals WEEKNUM, open parenthesis, A1, close parenthesis, assuming that cell A1 contains a date. Finally, equals WEEKNUM, open parenthesis, double quotes, 2024, hyphen, 03 hyphen 15 double quotes, comma, 2 close parenthesis. In each of these cases, the function will return the number 11, indicating that the 15th of March 2024 falls in the 11th week of the year. Now let's explore the WEEKDAY function. The WEEKDAY function returns the day of the week for a given date as a number, typically ranging from 1 to 7. Here's the syntax: equals weekday, open parenthesis, serial number, comma, return type inside square brackets, close parenthesis. Similar to the WEEKNUM function, the serial number is the date you are interested in, and the return type is an optional argument that determines how the days of the week are numbered. The return type argument in the WEEKDAY function is particularly important because it determines how the days of the week are represented numerically. If the return type is 1, then Sunday is considered as 1, Monday is 2, and so on. This is the default setting. If you set the return type to 2, then Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, and Sunday becomes 7. It's essential to choose the return type that aligns with your specific needs. Let's illustrate the WEEKDAY function with a few examples. First, equals weekday, open parenthesis, double quotes, 2024, hyphen 03 hyphen 15 double quotes, close parenthesis. Second, equals weekday, open parenthesis, double quotes, 2024, hyphen, 03 hyphen 15 double quotes, comma, 1, close parenthesis. Third, equals weekday, open parenthesis, double quotes, 2024, hyphen, 03 hyphen 15 double quotes, comma, 2, close parenthesis. In these examples, the function returns 6, 6, and 5 respectively because March 15, 2024 was a Friday. The return value depends on the return type specified. The first two examples default to Sunday equals 1, while the third example uses Monday equals 1. Now let's discuss some practical applications of these functions. The WEEKNUM function is great for creating weekly reports, where you might want to group your data by week numbers to analyze trends over time. On the other hand, the WEEKDAY function is perfect for schedule planning, where you need to differentiate between weekdays and weekends for resource allocation or shift scheduling. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.